day everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Manage Farms. We are experts when it comes to plantain farming, banana farming and vegetables. Now today, based on popular demand, I decided to do this video on about plantain spacing. How do you space your plantain? What are the maximum number of plantain you can actually get on a plot of land depending on the size? This is what this video is aimed at achieving. If this is the first time you are meeting us on the internet, we are Manage Farms. Do well to follow us on all our social media handles to enhance your knowledge about plantain farming and banana farming. On Facebook, search for us. We are Manage Farm, M-A-N-I-C-H-E Farms. Then on Instagram, it is Plantain Farmer Manage. On YouTube, it is Plantain Farmer Manage. So coming to spacing of plantain farm, there are several spacings that can actually be used. You have 2x2, you have 2x3, you have 3x3, depending on what you want to achieve. Now let's get to plot sizes. Now a plot is just a measured piece of land. There is no standard measurement for a plot. A plot could be any size. It could be 100 square meters, it could be 10 square meters. It is just a plot. But the idea of this video is to help you, no matter the size of your plot, in order to help you achieve plant population that you want to have. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'll be making use of 450 square meters. That is 100 feet by 50 feet, or 30 meters by 15 meters. It's equivalent to 450 square meters. How do you get these square meters if you want to measure your land? Simply measure the length of your farm and the breadth of your farm. You multiply together. Assuming the length of your farm is 30 meters and the breadth is 15 meters. To get the square meters, all you have to do is multiply through 30 times 15, that is 450 square meters. That is achieved. Then for any other space of land, you can actually do the same thing to get the square meter. Now, in coming to the spacing, if you want to go for 2x2 spacing, all you have to do is, the formula for this is your plot size divided by your desired spacing. If it is 2x2 you want, multiply that 2x2, it will give you 4. Then 450 divided by 4, you have 112.5 plant population on a 450 square meter plot using 2x2 spacing. If you are going for 2x3, all you have to do is 450 divided by 6. You'll be getting around 75 or 76 plants. That is what will be accommodated in that your farm using this spacing. Now, I want to actually show us exactly what I've discussed in that video. So this is the formula you're actually going to be using. That's your plot size divided by your desired spacing. And all these things has to be in square meter. Your plot size, remember how I told you get your plot size? When you come to this place, this is 30 meters by 15 meters. That's 30 times 15. You're having 450 square. This is a mistake. This is 450 square meters. Now, when you come to this size, I gave an example here. Now, 450 divided by 6, we are using 2x3 spacing. It will give us 76 stands or 75 plants in a plot of 450 this thing. So when we come to this side now, I've tried to dramatically show a field size of 30 meters and 15 meters. Now, how do you get your lines? Remember, after you've marked out your 30 meters and your 15 meters this way, you have to divide here into 2, giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 lines. This is 30 centimeter divided into 2. You have 16 lines. Then when you come to this side, you do the same thing. Here is supposed to be 3 meters. You want to space here 3 meters. So 3 meters divided by 15 meters, you have 5 boxes, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, after you've marked out your farmland this way, where you'll be planting is actually on the squares and not on the lines. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 boxes times 5 boxes, it is going to give you 75 plants in a plot. Thank you. Okay, this is actually a farm site which we're actually developing using 2 by 2 spacing. The length of this farm is 12 meters, then the breadth is 6 meters. When you multiply them through, it gives you 72 square meters. And we are using 2 by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So 72 divided by 4 will give you 18 boxes. So what we are planting here is 18 stands of plantain. Remember, you are planting inside these boxes and not on the line. You have the plantain stands are inside these boxes.